sparkle string lights from GOVEE is amazing. These lights are so nice. The way they are wired up like this is more like traditional Christmas lights, but the app makes you able to map it out so it looks amazing. You can have the Christmas tree effect like this, but when we wrap the lights, we wrap it up and down, but after you map it out, the effects are amazing. It's very coherent. It looks amazing, like it's one piece of light pre-wrapped from the factory, but instead we wrap this ourselves, and once you map it out, you can have an amazing effect of the lights just kind of being part of the tree. Not like it was an afterthought, but it's fully integrated, like it's one piece. I just love it. And of course, with GOVEE, there's so many of these fantastic light scenes that really make these lights amazing. These are spectacular. Some of the best lights ever I've used for a Christmas tree. It really does define how nice a Christmas tree looks just because it's mapped out so well. Like, this is an effect that you cannot find anywhere else unless you actually have these sparkle string lights. Amazing, amazing. The effect is it just blows my mind how nice the effects are for these lights. Just the way they move and everything is so beautiful. These are the GOVEE sparkle string lights. I love them. Oh yeah.